Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 8 best martial arts for self-defense. Number 1. Kung Fu. This martial art is of Chinese origin and was brought into practice by the Yellow Emperor Huang Ti. The Chinese word Kung Fu means martial technique. Kung Fu is one of the oldest martial arts. Kung Fu is also one of the most lethal martial arts because it makes use of blows, joint manipulation, throws, pressure point attacks, etc. The name Kung Fu covers all the hundred of different styles of Chinese martial arts. Number 2. Taekwondo. Taekwondo means the way of the fist and the foot. This sport was added to the Swimmer Olympic Games in 2000. This art was created by General Choi Hong in 1941 and became famous after the end of World War II. The impactful kicks that categorize this sport make it quite brutal. Number 3. Krav Maga. This third martial art is of Israeli origin and it was created by Lemmy Lichtenfeld. It literally means hand to hand. The goal of this art is to neutralize opposition, make it effective in life-threatening situation. Krav Maga is one of the most deadly martial art around because there are no rules. Number 4. Muay Thai. Martial art has its roots in Thailand. It became popular in most of the world during the 1880s and has been the fastest growing martial art in the world for the past 80 years. Muay Thai simply means the art of 8 limbs. This is because it uses the 2 elbows, 2 knees, 2 fists and 2 feet. Number 5. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. This martial art is also known as BBJ or submission grappling. It originated from Brazil and was taught by Gustavo Jr., Carlos George and Osvaldo. This art uses a short distance between the two fighters. The artist skilled in this art then uses sparring, leg drilling and many different techniques to get his opponents to the floor and make him surrender. Number 6. Judo. Judo means the gentle way was created by a Japanese man, Jigoro Kano, in 1882. Judo artists are called judoka and they wear the judogi. Judo became an Olympic sport in 1960. Judo uses grappling and wrestling skills. It focuses on self-defense because a skilled judoka, however small, does not get scared of his massive attacker. Number 7. Karate. This martial art is one of the most popular worldwide for several reasons. Karate is safe and not too difficult to learn. When done correctly, it can be very deadly. It has its origin in Japan and it was invented by Gichin Funakoshi. Karate means empty-handed. This clearly shows that it does not use weapons. Karate makes use of grappling, locks and striking skills. This focuses on defending oneself from criminals. Number 8. Ninjutsu. The samurai of the Nanboku Koira created ninjutsu, and ever since the coming of modern day Olympics, ninjutsu is yet to be accepted by the International Olympic Committee as an Olympic sport. The ancient times, the aim of this art was to kill Ninjas usually use the element of surprise and stealth to get their victims, and this earned them the name non-humans. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.